Unlocking British farewells, understanding Cheerio. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss. A phrase that you might have heard in British movies or TV shows, and that is Cheerio. So, what does it mean, and how do we use it? Stick around to find out. Let's start by diving into the origin and meaning of the phrase, Cheerio. This word is quintessentially British, and it's been in use since the early 20th century. Cheerio is often used as a way to say goodbye in a friendly and informal manner. It carries a positive and upbeat vibe, and it's like saying, "See you later," or "goodbye," with a smile. Now, let's talk about when and how to use Cheerio. As we mentioned, it's a casual and friendly way to say goodbye, so it's best used in informal settings, among friends, or with people you know well. You wouldn't typically use Cheerio in a formal business meeting or with someone in a position of authority. Here's an example to help you understand better. Imagine you're leaving a gathering with friends, and as you're heading out the door, you turn around, wave, and say, "Cheerio, everyone." It's that simple. The tone and body language you use when saying Cheerio are also important. Since it's a cheerful and light-hearted farewell, make sure your tone reflects that. A warm smile and a friendly wave can complement the phrase perfectly. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use the British farewell, Cheerio. Remember, it's informal and upbeat, perfect for saying goodbye to friends in a light-hearted manner. We hope this video has been helpful and that you now feel more confident using Cheerio in your conversations. Don't forget to practice, and Cheerio for now.